What's going on, boys and girls? It's your boy XL here, and you like to stay on the rise, you already know. So we're trying something different, all week. I'm just trying to find games. Oh, to be honest, I was watching some videos. I'm gonna put my controller down so we can have this one-on-one connection right now. I've been trying out some things. I've been seeing some videos, been thinking of new ideas. What do y'all think about Reddit? Now, I don't know if anybody will comment, so I'll probably end up doing it anyways. But let me know. Let me know what y'all want to see. I ask this every video. You already know. I'm gonna stay on top of it. I'm gonna stay on top of y'all, cause y'all just watch my videos and leave. Come on now. I need what's the word? I need energy. That's what I need. I need some energy. All right. Anyways, back to the video. We're gonna play Jump Force today. This game came out like 2 years ago. Yep, 2019. If you don't know what the game's about, I'm pretty sure it's about like anime characters that they brought into the game and you can fight, and there's also a story. We're gonna play story because I do not feel like just fighting for like forever. So let's get into it. Ooh, wow, cool. Wow, cool. Bunch of bullshit I don't care about. Oh yeah, I played this before. I have no idea how to fuck to... Alright. I played this before. Didn't know I got to... Bro, how's my guy got 17,000 health but only 683 attack? You know what? Cause I fuck with y'all, we're gonna create a new character. What? What's the female look like? Yes, we're gonna go male. I'm not sexist or anything like that. I just, okay, so we have either Dragon Ball, One Piece, Naruto. I'm pretty sure this is fucking... I don't know. It kinda looks like somebody from Final Fantasy, but they don't got Final Fantasy in this game. I do be fucking with the Naruto people. Pirate fighting style uses wide, powerful strikes to pummel opponents with quick, accurate strikes. Taijutsu. We're just gonna. Okay, that wasn't really fair. There's only 4. So here's what we'll do. This is gonna be a wild video. Choose the number 1 through 4. Hey, wait, let me find the fucking... Bro, can you like fucking read, bro? Alright, we're gonna turn that off. Bro. Alright, I don't know if y'all can see it. It didn't look like it was rendering, but it chose 3. So we'll choose this one. Body. Max on height. Max height. Fuck you talking about. Body type. Max on body type. Minimum body type. No, we're going mass. Chest. I want the fattest fucking chest. You kidding me? I'll take it. Skin color. I really don't care. Hairstyle. What the fuck? That's the guy, Jojo. Ooh. Let's use this one. Why not? I don't really care, bro. I don't care about what fucking other brothers. Bro. There's like shit you can have on your face. Oh, he has 4 headshots, but this is like Naruto shit. I got some serious fucking what features this one? Fuck it. Feature 2. I can have 2 features. What the fuck?
ことだな。
そうかだな。くらい。
くらまだまだ。好きだーってこれおりゃだーおりゃ
Sure. We'll go voice one. Did not mean to fuck you. Okay, cool. Continue. Alright, what should we name him? What's the name of my boy Flan, bro? Flan, that's your name. Flan. Yep. We'll go Flan. Sure. I just want to do story. I'm not really banging with that other stuff. We're just gonna stick to. Y'all see that? My arm blended. Alright, anyways. I like it how we're in the square. I could dig that look. Put our hand everywhere. Okay. Well, I'm getting sucked in. That was pretty whack. If you hear banging, it's because somebody is here working on the crib. What the fuck? I'm fast as fuck, man. I don't really know what's up. Do I have like a whip? I do. Yeah, come. I just went over there, bro. I don't know what happened.
ナメック星から救援要請が届いています。ベノムズの襲撃です。
なんだとあいつらしつけえな。
なお、そこでベジータの姿も確認されています。
父さん
父さんベジータってトランクスの父ちゃんなのか。
はい。ベジータがベノムズに加担したとなれば J フォースは総力を挙げて対処する必要がある。
待ってくれ。ベジータは昔は悪いやつだったけど今は違う。ベノムズの仲間になんてもっとねさ。
俺もそう思います。ナルトさん、俺もアルファチームに同行していいですか。
もちろん行ってこいってばよ。
はい
話は終わったようだ。ならばすぐにでも出発してくれ。君も同行しろ。
よしそんじゃ出発だ。
Why did I choose his voice, bro? The fuck? Who's getting in that? Yeah, somebody's here. They're working on the house.
戦争完了しました。
父さん。
クロベノムズは任した。
These are all Dragon Ball characters.
トランクスとおめはオラと来い。3人でベジータのとこ行くぞ。
はい。
Can I pause it?
UK
オラたちの邪魔すんな。
Bro, can I fight yet? After starting to chase shoes. Bro, I knew that's like. Alright, I'm glad it's basic controls. I'm not very good at fighting games, bro. You have to be smart. I'm not very efficient in that area. You feel me? That was a big word. What? Efficient? Hell yeah. That was a biggin' word. Chill out. Chill the fuck out. I'm gonna be honest. Oh, okay. I'm pretty sure I played this game a while back, but I'm pretty sure I stopped playing it because I
ベジータおめどうしちまったんだ。
父さん正気に戻ってくださいダメだ俺たちの声がまるで聞こえていない
何言っても無駄のようだな。タンツンやるしかねえぞ。
はい
Flan, why do you look like that? You're letting me down. Alright, I just need to know how to escape. Alright, bet. L1 is escape. L1 is escape. L1 is escape. L1 is escape. I gotta keep saying this because I'm gonna forget. L1 is escape. L1 is escape. L1 is escape, boys and girls. So if I remember... I got bonus point! Bro, y'all hear that, right? I think that might be a vacuum, or someone's... No, that's definitely not a vacuum. Sounds like a sand.
やぞ
見てください父さん骨密キューブなんてまがまがしを放っているんだナビゲーターにコズミックキューブの回収を指示してください
了解しました回収シークエンスを起動します
What if I do not know? What the fuck? Bro, how come y'all don't see color, bro?
どこ カカロットマックス
Bro, that's not what the game looks like.
何か
Y'all see it? Bro,
よか
that
っ
shit
た
dark.
父さん正気に戻ったんですね
I'm trying to pause it, bro. I'm trying to fix it.
長官聞こえますか
終わったか
父さんが
There we go.
悪の道に戻ってしまったのではないかと気が気でなかったですがキューブは回収しました
Cool.
おいこれはどういうことだ俺にも分かるように説明しろ
Turn.
それは私から説明する君を操っていたのはコズミックキューブだキューブの力はそれを宿した本人の意志によって善悪どちらにずるか決まると考えられる君が善の意志によってベノムではなく我々の仲間 J フォースの意志となったようにだがキューブの利用法は他にもあったようだ何者かの強い意志 その悪意にあらかじめ侵されたキューブによって本人の意思に関係なくそのものを操る力。やはりベノムズの背後には何者かが暗躍していると考え
There's a
ら
large.
れているだろう。
There's a super villain.
誰なんだ俺を操っていたというのは。
それについては現在調査を進めている。
おい貴様ら俺もその J フォースとやらに入れろ。戦いに参加させてもらうとこのガリは返す。
That does sound like some shit Vegeta would say. If you don't watch anime, bro, this episode's not gonna. It's not really gonna appeal to you. What the fuck? I thought that was Dr. Stone for a second.
報告ご苦労様
Said woman.
あんた頼りにならないの。惑星ベジータの王子だやら。でも負けてしまったものはしょうがないわ。撤退しましょう。
俺はあの女一体
Why don't they just think to themselves? I don't know. It's anime shit, bro. It's not supposed to make sense. Cartoon. I'll be fucking with it though. I'll be bored, just throw on some anime, and then I go on my phone. Don't even pay attention. But I'll be fucking with it.
諸君ご苦労。君たちの活躍でナメック星は救われた。ベジータを救出できたことは我らにとって大きな前進だ。人を操るコズミックキューブの存在が明らかになり、キューブにはまだ我々が知らない力が隠されていることが分かった。一応礼を言っておく。諸君、戦いはこれからだ。現実世界、そしてジャンプ世界に平和を取り戻すため、引き続きベノムの討伐とコズミックキューブの回収。そしてこれからは操られた仲間の救出。その3つが我らの使命となる。
Bro, I just wanna. I know Luffy's in this game. A while ago there was this dude. It was Sanji, but what the fuck? Chapter 2, the Big Bad. If that's Frieza, bro, I'm gonna lose it. I don't know why they keep going with the Dragon Ball character. That's fucking me. Bro, the only map I know is the fucking Leaf Village, bro. It's the only one anime I cared about. Naruto used to go hard. As crazy as I just finished it, I don't feel like starting Boruto. That's a lot of work. A lot of work. Hold on, Luffy. My boy can't even talk. Why are you talking to me?
だいぶチームに馴染んできたようですね。
みんなに力を示したことで J フォースの一員として認められたんだ。みんな聞いてくれ。次の作戦はコズミックキューブに操られた仲間の救出だ。現在我々の活動は北米エリア中心にとどまっているが、強力な仲間を増やすことができれば他の地域での活動も広げていくことができる。みんなの活躍を期待している。君にも期待しているぞ。
Bro, Flan looks like a mess, bro. I just put some shit on and I was like, fuck it. Bro, I'm gonna drip him out. Bro, I'm sorry, I cursed way too much.
ベノムズが現れたようです。今すぐチームのメンバーと合流し向かってください。それと強大なベノムズに対して J フォースはまだまだ戦力が足りません。チームの枠を超えた協力も重要です。急ぎましょう。
Bro, my buttons are bouncy. I like playing that. Where can I go to get dripped? it's like all I can do. I want to get up there. I think I went the right way. Our last character looked like we're gonna go for a Sasuke. Bro, these are fucking bad. I was rocking this shit, bro. These are fucking tight. That shit don't look yellow, that shit look green, bro. Go right, dude. You can work with that. Hell yeah. This is soccer. Fuck it. Hell yeah. Flan got drip. Flan got drip drip. Flan got drip drip. Alright. Oh, my desk is a mess. I'm pretty sure you can ride a frog. Wait, almost fucking. I think this is yeah. Fucking you. This motherfucker floats. Well, I think I'm gonna leave this episode off here. If you like this video, you like Jump Force, let me know. We may come back to it, we may not. I really don't care. It's really up to y'all. I just be playing the games. Let me know what y'all think. Let me know what y'all want to see. If you like this video, leave a like, subscribe, comment. I'm gonna see y'all in the next video. You already know how it goes.